Welcome back to BrainBeats, where curiosity meets the mind. Imagine discovering a masterpiece lost to history beneath the waves. That's exactly what happened in 1996, when Belgian diver René Wouters stumbled upon an ancient bronze statue near the Croatian island of Lošinj, submerged 45 meters deep. This remarkable find turned out to be the Apoxyomenos, an exquisite example of ancient Greek art. The Apoxyomenos, which translates to the scraper, depicts an athlete in the act of scraping oil and sweat from his body, a common practice in ancient Greek athletics. Standing at over 6 feet tall, this bronze statue is notable for its exceptional craftsmanship and realism, capturing a moment of daily life from over 2 millennia ago. Dating back to the 4th century BC, the statue is believed to be a Roman copy of a Greek original. Its preservation in the sea for centuries adds to its mystique and offers invaluable insights into ancient artistry and techniques. After its discovery, the Apoxyomenos underwent meticulous restoration and is now proudly displayed in the Museum of Apoxyomenos in Mali Lošinj, Croatia. If you enjoyed this dive into history, subscribe to BrainBeats and let us know what other ancient mysteries you'd like us to explore next.